cycle. I finally got it at the beginning. Power's off. Hit the border up. My forks are too thick to do that. They're not super thin, but we can try it again. No matter what you do, nope. It went over it. The forks are just too fat they need to be ground down a little. Nope. I tried. No bombs today, okay? No bombs today. She gave 3 yesterday. Good morning. Is it good?
Yeah, brand new.
You found it?
They used it one time.
And what happened? Why'd they get rid of it?
I don't know. You're gonna see it.
It's beautiful.
Brand new.
Oh
They
yeah.
used it only one time.
I have one at home too. If it doesn't start,
Huh? The battery.
You what?
yeah. If it doesn't start, it's a double A.
That's it.
That's all yours?
Yeah, but he's out.
That's good?
Hey, what's the battery?
Yeah. Hopefully things start to pick up. It's my birthday today.
Birthday? Oh, happy birthday, man. What day?
49.
49?
Yeah.
I'm 53.
That one.
I'm 53. What are you doing over here working though?
Yes, I got bills to pay.
Shit.
Bills don't care.
Working the whole week.
Yep.
You give you a day off and play.
I could have, but that's clean, right? Is it?
You got a little metal over here. Okay?
No. That's metal.
Metal.
The bronze. You gotta clean it.
Take it like that.
It's
Yeah.
maybe. Okay, a pound. The back one?
This one?
Yep. Lo siento, 33.
Huh?
Lo siento, 33. So, 1, yeah, 133.
All right.
Job at a power plant, taking down stuff, and these are the catalytic converters. I guess there's about 4 or 5 loads of these that are going to be coming today. Big converters. Monetary value, we don't know. He said he took a sample and sent it off, but he hasn't heard back. So we got to be gentle with these because you don't want this to fall out. Some big filters. Thank you. Hey, what's the best number between 1 and 100?
The one you picked.
It's what you made on shred.
$100?
No,
Oh.
69.
Easy, Jeff.
Huh? What? Easy.
Easy, Jeff.
Hey, that's what you said yesterday. I just got my salad from Papa Gio's. It's almost 15 bucks now.
Yeah, I know.
That's
For a salad.
For a salad, folks.
Where you going, Jeffy?
I'm gonna go right here, on top of the wire. I want to go this way.
Lifting around on top of it?
Pretty much. Oh, it says negative 115. It means you owe me money.
You ready on motor?
Is that what you said? The story of my life? Yeah, it's called bills, right? Yeah.
I always do something.
Huh?
Never any money for Matt. I always do somebody something. Can I do this as a motor?
You can do that as heavy.
That's heavy? All right.
I'll do that as heavy. Yeah, I don't want to put that in there. Especially now that I have bins, not boxes. They have to dump these out.
What are these little motors holding down the scale?
No, that's what I use to weigh.
Blow away?
No, they're doing a job at a power plant,
so
and
you gotta
he's
keep it off the
got
ground.
5 loads of converters. They're big square for like a big diesel engine.
Okay.
So I had to weigh one, so I use that to,
Keep it off the ground?
well, no, to get it off the forks.
Oh, okay, okay.
Because I was using the other one, not my forklift. Why am I doing all the heavy work today?
I carried them from the garage to my trailer, dude.
The garage to the trailer. $334. 334 pounds of motors. Sealed unit, sorry, not motors.
Ready to add?
Oh, you had a good load.
I'll take it, man. I'll take it.
You made more in on your sealed units than you did shred.
Really? That guy, that's my, when people
by
play
$4.
him,
By
he's
$4.
like, I got some metals for you. I'm like, I'll take them. He's like, I got all these compressors. I'm like, yeah. Let's do this.
My senior relatives like to tease me at weddings, saying things like, "You'll be next." They stopped once I started doing the same to them at the funerals.
What did the ocean say to the fishing boat?
What did the ocean say to the fishing boat?
Yeah.
You'll be missed. I don't know.
Same thing every time, man. Nothing. It just waves.
It's just waves. My mom died when we couldn't remember her blood type. After she died, she kept telling us, be positive. But it's hard without her. Be positive. I'm O negative.
I don't even know what I am. Why did the inventor get struck by lightning?
Why did the inventor get struck by the lightning? No.
He was brainstorming.
Brainstorming. How do you wake up Lady Gaga? This is from a subscriber.
Not sure.
You poker face.
You poker face. How did the barber win the race?
It was a close shave.
What? He took a shortcut.
A shortcut. Those were better. So the wire is going to go in this brown bin right here. Right there. Yep. This one too. All right. So 2 batteries. All right. And the aluminum is going to go in the next bin. We're going to separate the brass. Where'd it gone? Fudge. Oh, no, right here. If you want copper price, you got to take the brass off. Because these valves are brass. But I can't do it to all of them. Huh? What's that?
You gotta take the brass off for
If you want copper, you know. Because you got a lot of brass on these. I use the that one you probably won't be able to cut through. We'll just do it for brass. There. Same thing with this guy.
So next day I cut all these shit up.
Yeah, you get paid more. That one's got, hold on, we gotta get that. Okay, you can put that over there. No, hey, no. Or you won't get paid for it. Yep, that's good. That one's just gonna go with the dirty brass.
Does copper you get more money or brass?
Copper. Huh? 80 cents a pound. Ooh.
And them batteries over there, that juice?
I doubt it. I wouldn't trust them, Tom. Let's just go right with these. Yeah. And then that's the same. That's copper, and that's copper. Okay. Yep. Okay. Four pounds of aluminum. All right, the battery died. Copper. Number 2, 21. All this stuff, yeah. Dirty brass, dirty brass, dirty brass, dirty brass. All that stuff, too. Yep. That's it, huh? 41. And the wire goes right in there. Yep. All right, almost 150 bucks, 147. Just work down the line, 11. Electric motor is 100. Wire. 14. It's gonna be aluminum clean. It's 8. Yep, throw it in. Plus 4 more. And then that guy is what we're going to put in there. Heavy. That's heavy. Yeah. Yeah, it's a beast. Shit. Huh?
Where?
It's gonna be tough to get up there though, isn't it? In that bend. I don't have a forklift right now either to lift it. That's the thing.
I slid it over here off. Well, I'm not saying I can do that.
It's gonna take both of us. Ugh. What the? Come on, there we are. All right. Ready? One.
Not ready. Hold on. I don't know how to grip it.
Ready? One.
No, hold on. I don't like this. Can I slide it around?
Yep. Ready?
Yep.
Mm. 196 pounds. Holy crap.
How much?
196.
Yeah, it was in my pump truck in the bullbox.
$35 on that one.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Hi, Harold. And you're all set.
The replacement cost me $5.
Thank you.
So,
$119
nice.
altogether. guys, they tried to clean these this morning, but holy cow, they just smoked. Like, oh, he's gonna have to cut that one. It just smokes way too much. Try digging in like somewhere in here where I see extrusion. Definitely messing things up. Like, I'm running out of room here, and load of bales. Like, if I'm not bothered by customers, this will be gone in like an hour. This won't take that long as she runs right. So yeah, I don't want to touch that because that's all of them that I can bale. So isn't all this and all that. So I wonder if I just make a big pile right here. Just that's what I'll do. Hey, put the satellite on this side. Yeah, because I don't have my forklift right now, and what's that?
One radiator and then the other one.
The radiator will go in there. Yep. This one's brass. The 2 alternators.
Stuck in red line.
The AC compressor can go right here between the 2 bins. Yeah. Then that and that back one.
Just drive around for, right?
Yeah. How low is the Econ right now? Is it too low for a kayak?
Have at least 20 pounds.
It's
of
not
non-ferrous.
my thinking, but
They're all saying, yeah.
but they're saying because I've been in that machine.
You had to get out of that doing real work to come here and do
and like I have
6
like
pounds.
or $8 or $4 when you're trying to make $4,000 or whatever it is, you know, that you can make. So it's just like
I got you.
heavy.
I'm gonna save that.
You save that?
I'm gonna see how you sell it.
Oh, almost like for the beach. Do you want to do heavy first?
Yeah.
I need my forklift.
What's that?
I need my forklift. They're using it all afternoon because they're unloading. They're unloading and loading big converters. So out front there. Right ironing.
That's probably heavy too.
Look at that light. Let's come over here. We'll do these guys.
Right?
Yep. Do you know old man Tom? He walks around
Yeah.
like on Wednesdays. He buys the vices. So if you can catch him on like a Wednesday.
That's one here.
Yep.
I got 3.
But he buys them. So
Okay.
3/4 batteries. 14 on light.
No batteries.
Now we'll go do his clean aluminum. What, that? That's a nice cord. But for job sites now, I guess OSHA requires that these be the clear ones. So. Crap, Jacob brought in 124 pounds of that yesterday.
Did he really?
Or that was the most I've ever had. Yeah, let's find any yellow one if you want. 18. Are we done for the day? Yeah. We got all this right here, right? And stainless, stainless. Yep, but those are stainless. Yep, these are all stainless.
Oh, stainless.
You got any more stainless?
I think.
That is it. 14 also. Okay.